Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and I feel like doing a giveaway. Fridays are typically my day to do a cooking video, but I've been sidelined all week long with a cold and haven't been able to pull anything together, for a cooking video. So I thought, what could I do? And I decided I would do a giveaway. Actually, the first of a few giveaways that I plan on doing between now and Black Friday. There will be a couple of giveaways that are tied specifically to keto brands. I'm going to do a couple, like today, that are a selection of stuff from my pantry. And I also have some celebrity chef autographed cookbooks that I might give away as well. But as I said, today it's a collection of stuff from my Keto Pantry. Stuff that I've either purchased or was sent to me for review, and I got multiples of them. Let's run through what we've got. First off, we have some carnivore crisps. I've got both the beef ribeye and the eye of round. Next up, some baking chips. I've got some ChocZero white chocolate, some ChocZero peanut butter chips. These things are so good. And a bag of Lily's sugar-free dark chocolate chips. I have some Chipmunk pumpkin spice cookie bites, as well as a collection of cookie bites from Superfat. I've got the peanut butter chocolate chip, snickerdoodle, chocolate chip, and double dark chocolate chip. Also from Superfat, I've got their pancake mix and brownie mix. This stuff isn't all that great though. And rounding out from Superfat, I've got some little packets of their nut butter. There's the protein butter, macadamia MCT plus probiotics, coffee plus MCT, macadamia coconut, and cacao coconut. I have all 6 varieties of golden ratio coffee. Pumpkin spiced gold coffee, spiced cookie gold coffee, chocolate mint gold coffee, original gold coffee, vanilla flavored coconut gold coffee, and chai spiced gold coffee. I have all 3 flavors of the upside down mug cakes: pancake, brownie, and blueberry muffin. I have a container of perfect keto MCT oil. This is the cinnamon toast flavor. I really like this stuff in my coffee. And finally, my favorite lupin or lupini products. The Aviate brand lupini flour and lupini flakes. And you know what? I'm even going to throw in this ChocZero little insulated lunch bag. How's that? For this particular giveaway, I'm limiting it to the United States and Canada. There is a chance, actually a pretty good chance, that on one of my subsequent giveaways, I will open it up globally. So to enter, all you need to do is leave a comment. And then on November 6th, I will randomly pick one person and let you know that you won. But in order for me to let you know that you've won, you need to make sure you have notifications turned on. Go into your settings within YouTube. Under notifications, there is a button or a little slide bar for notify me when I get replies to my comments. You want to make sure that is turned on. If that is not turned on, you're not going to get notified when I let you know that you won. And then 24 hours later, I'll pick somebody else. Unfortunately, this has happened a number of times on my giveaways, so don't let it happen to you. Turn on notifications. Now, if you're excited about these giveaways and are looking forward to seeing more, please tap that like button. And I'm going to get healthy and see you next week. Thanks for watching.